We guide you through how to create and send invoices using your PayPal business account quickly and professionally. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal business account on the app or website, then go to the Tools or Invoicing section. Click Create Invoice and fill in details including recipients, email, item description, quantity, price, and any taxes or discounts. You can also customize the invoice by adding your business logo, payment terms, and notes for the customer. Once everything looks correct, click Send to email the invoice directly to your client. The recipient will get a notification and can pay instantly using their PayPal account, credit card, or debit card. You can track the status of your invoices in the same dashboard, see who has viewed, paid, or needs reminders, and send follow ups if necessary. Using PayPal invoices makes billing simple, professional, and secure for your business transactions.